Hey guys, I just bought myself a leaf blower. I am a DeWalt guy. I got my drill DeWalt. I saw for DeWalt. I just like the idea that you can just use the same battery for everything. That's why I like DeWalt. That's my preference, but everybody has their own preference. Some people tell me that DeWalt sucks and all that stuff, but whether it sucks or not, I like the compatibility. Just like Apple stuff, you know, everything works together. So it is fall here. I got so much leaves all over my yard, in the front and the back. So I decided to get one of these to help me gather all the leaves together and put them in my garden. So I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about it and maybe review it and open the box, and then I'll show you guys how I use it, right? So if you like stuff like this, please stick around and we can do this together. So this is a 20 volts. If you can look right there, it's a 20 volt brushless, 20 volt max, which is basically the same thing I have here on this drill right here. Seems super light. And you know, nowadays when you go buy these tools, like they don't come with battery, but this did. This came with a battery and a charger. So I'll have a charger that can charge the battery for my drill and the charger that can charge this as well. And these 5 volts can work here. 5 amps battery will work here as well. And it's a 20 volts that work here. So let's open it and see how it looks, all right? I'll cut the top right here, and then you get the pieces. Now that's the blower top right here. That's the 20 volts, 5 amp batteries. I have one of these already for my the little mini saw, so I'm gonna be using this and that one at the same time. So this is a pretty good deal. So, and this is the charger right here that goes like this. Yeah, so it comes with the charger. And then this, there's like a little top. This one goes here. I'm gonna assemble as we go. It's got like a little tornado thing over here, right? So it looks really nice. So let me get the motor now. So here is the motor. So that's just plastic. So here's the motor. Oops. The motor looks like that. And it shows a brushless right here. And the trigger is right here. It's a DeWalt 20 volt brushless, and that's where all the power comes. And then the battery goes right on the back. So it seems pretty light, and I like it. I like that it's not super heavy. So I'm gonna shove this in here. I think there's a way it goes. This guy here goes like that. Maybe this way. I hate reading manuals, but I think this is how it goes. There. It's locked in. There. So it's all assembled. It's pretty easy. Anybody can do this. I hope this battery is charged a little bit. Let's see. So I can test it for you guys. The battery is charged. So it looks like that. It's got a stand right here. You can put it down to stand it like that. There's nothing else in the box. Just paperwork. I can already just do some lines. I don't even need this paperwork at all. Those are just the paperwork that comes with it. I put that there. So I'm gonna have to break this down and put them in my recycle box. My recycle bin. All right, that's done. All right, so I'm gonna bring my camera closer so I can show you more details about it. But that's pretty much it. All right, so this is the charger right here. 20 volts, says right here 12 volts. You can charge 12 volts and 20 volt lithium ion batteries. It's got the lighting over here. I already have some of this because I have a bunch of DeWalt stuff. And basically this is how it looks. You want to see more about it? It says brushless right here, XR 20 volts, 20 volt brushless. And the brushes right there. The model number is DCBL722. Yeah, DCBL722 right here. I don't know if it's possible to see it on the camera, but it's right here. DCBL722 blower, if you're interested in it. And I'm gonna post the links about this at Home Depot, but I think you can buy this at Lowe's or anywhere else. So it's pretty. Sounds like it's pretty powerful. So this one, there's a bunch of different kinds. The one was for $229. It didn't come with the battery, but it had 600 CFM. But this one was like 165 and is 450, maybe 475 CFMs. So 265 versus 229, that's 230. I decided to go with this. I do not have a lot. I'm not doing anything commercial. It's just for like simple things that I do at my houses, to blow and collect the leaves to recycle. There it is, the charger. Let me try this little battery here for you guys to see if it works. And I think it does. It should work. This is the 20 volts. It's just gonna die quicker because it's not 5 amps. But they should be able to go in here. There, and it works. Look at that. And this 5 amps also works on this drill. That's why I like this. Everything works together, especially the batteries. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help and answer. But that's how it is, and I will show you guys in just a second how I blow some leaves in the back. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how this works really quick here. I got all these leaves all over here. So I'm gonna start over here and I'll show you guys how it works. So let me start on that corner right there. I'm gonna turn my camera so you can see. So it works pretty good. All right, so that's how it works. It works really, really well. So just wanted to show you how that blows. The battery hasn't been charged, so I'm gonna go charge it or maybe replace it with the one I have and continue blowing this. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you out and be able to answer anything before you go buy one of these. Appreciate you guys.